In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all drawings from your chart in Tradingview so you can start fresh with a clean workspace. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load the chart you want to clean. Once you're inside the chart workspace, take a quick look to make sure you're on the correct layout, especially if you use multiple charts. Now, move your attention to the drawing toolbar on the left side of the screen. This is where all your tools like trend lines, shapes, and text are located. Scroll down to the very bottom of this toolbar and look for the trash can icon. This is the key tool for clearing your chart. Click on the trash icon and a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is just to make sure you don't accidentally delete important drawings. If you're ready to remove everything, confirm the action. Instantly, all your drawings like lines, shapes, and notes will disappear, leaving your chart completely clean. If you ever only want to delete one drawing instead, simply right-click on that specific object and choose Delete. That's it. With just one click, you can clear your entire chart and start fresh without any clutter. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.